Alden with short update. Yung post ni Alden sa kanyang Instagram. Ayan, congrats kay Alden. Sabi niya, another motivation to do more and be more. Thank you, People Asia. And one of awardees si Alden. This is Target People Asia Men Who Matter 2025. Ayan, congrats. Yung gwapo ni Alden. Ito yung venue. Yung ginanap dyan sa Manila Marriott Hotel. Ayan, si Alden nasa stage. At in-interview pa nga si Alden ng GMA News. Ayan, yung cover ni Alden. Oh. Ito yung video. Ayan, tinawag si Alden. Congrats. The achievements ni Alden. Ayan, People Asia Men Who Matter 2025. Kasama niya yung mga awardee. Kaya si Alden nasa gitna. Kasama si Tito Sen, Senador Tito Soto at Senator Bam Aquino. Yun o. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.